Hi guys, welcome to Techie Fan of India. My name is Shekhar. We are going to the next concept of Python. In the next video of this Python tutorial is the booleans. As we are getting the boolean, we know that boolean is mostly used for concept of true and false. Means true is mentioned as the value is 1 and false will mention the value is 0. 0 means false and 1 means true. If your condition is true, then we'll mention the 1 as true, and if your condition is false, it means the 0 as a false. So we are going to print the 7 double equal to 8, means 7 is equal to 8. If it is correct, then it will mention true. Next is print 4 is smaller than 5. If correct, then mention the true, or else it will mention the false. In the same way, we are getting the next print. Inside we are mentioning 7 is greater than 8. If it is true, then true will mention, or else false. So once we run this particular program, we'll get the output. That we got the output as like false. First is false, second is true, and third is false. If it is true, then it will mention return the true. If it is false, it will return you the value as a false. So don't worry, it's a very understandable, it's very easy. So try it, practice it, you'll get it in trained knowledge of the Python. Nothing will left. So we are going to the next line, and we are selecting all the program that we have completed here. We'll comment it. It is committed already. So going to the next program of this particular video. A is equal to 500 and B is equal to 141. So we are having two variables A and B, both are having the integer value 541. If condition is mentioning if A is greater than B, what will print? If A is greater than B, then what will print? If A is greater than B, then we print the A is greater than B. And if or else, we'll continue with the concept. If condition is used for A and B, A is greater than B, then A is greater than B, print here. Else, print B is greater than A. Means just opposite of that concept. Just opposite to that particular program. So yes, both things having the equal and we can say equal and opposite reaction. If it is condition is true, then run the first block of the code. If the condition is false, then run the second or is part of block will run. So we are going to the next. We are mentioning here A is equal to 500 is equal to 141. We run it. We got the concept. We are going to change something. We are mentioning the int value. Inside we are picking the input means string here, but we are providing it for the integer value. That is the reason we follow this particular process. Please enter the value of A. We are providing the value of A as per the user, according to the user, or there that is they are providing their own. That's not fixed. Next, for B also we need to follow the same pattern. Int, we are mentioning the inside int, we are mentioning the input. Inside input, we are providing the print int. Please enter the value of B also. So we are providing two values A and B, and then if A is greater than B, or else what will happen? So this particular thing we are going to do is step by step. We'll get more and more knowledge from here. If we'll put this value of A and B there. So we have done this. We are running the program and we are providing the value of A as it is expected here. So we are providing the 75 and B value is 100. So as we can say, we are getting B is greater than A. We are getting B is greater than A. Yeah, when it is satisfied, then it will uh, prosper to print like A is greater than B. If it is not satisfied, then we will mention that B is greater than A. So we are going to take the first value is 9,000 and second is 8,900. So in this also printing like A is greater than B. So the same concept is there. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. Bye.